Okay, all right. So this homework is very long, and I really, had to make a choice so that you guys can be as ready for the quiz tomorrow as possible. So here we are. Okay, so I'm gonna be writing a lot, so that means I'm gonna try to talk less. Okay, now here with this shape, I'm gonna start off with a fairly easy question. Okay, where you can just divide this into. You can do a couple of things. You can turn this into 3 squares, or a square and a rectangle. So I'm gonna do the latter. Okay, so okay, so first let's do the little square first. So that's 3 by 3, so that's 9. And then here we have a 3. Now the question is how long is this side here, right? So that's 6, right? Why? Because 3 and the 3 here makes up this whole length. Okay, so that makes that 18. And that's it. Okay. Now, if you make it into 3 different boxes, it's just 999. Okay. All right. Okay. For the second question here, it's still fairly easy. Okay, because what they did was this: they're giving you literally every dimension here, so you don't have to do a whole lot of subtracting on your own. Okay. So what do I mean by that? Look, if this is 12 and this is 8, how long would this be? Yeah, 4, but they told you that, right? Another example. If this is 10 and this is 7, how long would this be? Yeah, 3, right? Like same thing. So that's what made this question easy, that you don't have to do any of that work on your own. Doesn't matter. All right, still a good practice. So here I can already see I got 2 rectangles here. Okay, so we got the first rectangle, and then the second rectangle. So what is that? 3 times 4 is 12, and then 8 times 10 is 80. So let me write that. Yep. Okay. All right. I was just double checking. So let's see. All right. Third one. Now here, this is a little bit interesting. I think you could go 2 ways. Okay. One is you can cut across like this. So you would have 3 rectangles. The other way, you could cut across like this, which would result in 3 rectangles. Now let me see if I should do this both ways. Let's see. You know what? It doesn't matter, actually. I want to go this way, actually. All right. Now, if you went this way, the other way, and you got the same answer, that means you and I are on the same page. Okay, so that's good. All right. So this is 5. I need to know how long this is. So I know that's 7, right? Because this is 7. So that's 7. Now I'm gonna finish. Now I'm gonna finish labeling all of this first. Okay, it just makes me feel a little more, I don't know, secure about this. Now the tough part is now this thing. So the problem here now is that leaves us with this rectangle right here with no labeling whatsoever. Because I don't know how long this is, and I don't know how long this is. So that's what makes this a challenging question. Okay. So to know how long this is, I know this is 13. If this is 5 and this little part's 2, the rest of this, of the 13, will be right here. Okay. So 13 minus 5 is 8, right? 8 minus 2 is 6. So I know that this is 6. And then now I need to figure out what this is. So I know this whole thing is 7, right? Because it says so here. And then this is 4. So you see that? If this is 4, that's 4. That's 7. What's the rest here? Yep, 3, right? And then I got the rest here. So let's see. Let me just double check. I just want to make sure 7 times 5 is 35. 6 times 3 is 18. And then the last one is 14. Yep, now I gotta add them together. Let's see, 35 plus 18, what is that? 3. 3 plus 1 is 4, 53. Yep, 53 plus 14, 53 plus 14, 53, 67. Yeah, okay, all right. Okay, so let's see. A triangle is removed from a rectangle. What? Okay, whatever. All right, find the area. So now, I think there's really one good way of doing it to minimize the amount of shapes that you are drawing. You draw a line down here. Okay, and hopefully that will work. So let's see. Now I got to find the missing side. So this is 8 by 2. So that's easy. That makes that 16. Difficulty is here we got a trapezoid. And the question is, how do I find the area of trapezoid? I need this base 1 plus base 2. So here's the question. How long is this base 1 or base 2 here? Okay, now this is 8. This is 8, right? Nothing crazy here. But this is 2. So what does that make the rest of this? Yep, 6. Okay, and then not only that, I need to know the height too, right? Base 1 plus base 2 times height. If this whole thing is 6 and this is 2, that would make this 4. Right, so all right, let's try to do that. So base 1 plus base 2, so that's 14 times 4. 56, right? 14 times 4. Yeah, 56 divided by 2, 28. All right, so what is that? 16 plus 28, so is that 44? 8 plus 6 is 4, 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 1, yeah. All right, almost there. Here we go. Now this question is fantastic also. What's the total area of the figure? I would hope, actually, you could make a whole big rectangle here and then leave yourself with a little triangle. The question is, would you be able to find a height? Originally, I was thinking about doing this, putting a line down here. But you know what? It's easier to do triangle questions than trapezoid questions. So I'm going to go with this. All right, just because of that. That might be a better solution here. Okay, so let's see. We got a line here. So this is 5 by 12. So that's 60. And then, now, that's 8. Oh, okay, good, good, good. Yep, I know. So that's 12. This is 8. The rest is 4. So the height of this little triangle here is 4. Now, what's the base then? Oh, I know. If this whole thing is 7, that's 5. That leaves me with 2 here. So let's see. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Yep, that leaves us with 64. Okay. All right. That's right. Okay. All right. That's it. All right. Wow. That's a long video. Okay. So thanks for watching. Have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.
OMG, that was so good.